Hello and welcome to Jazzy Trader. Today we're going to take a look at a trade I took on US 30 with the silver bullet. I took a silver bullet trade this morning on US 30. So we're just going to take a look starting with the 15-minute chart. As we can see, the market traded down at 9:30, around 9:30. That 9:30 candlestick took out previous day's liquidity here. Once the market took out that liquidity, if we go down to the 5-minute, we can see that it traded up, creating two fair value gaps. We have a slight fair value gap here at around the 9:45 minute, and we also created another fair value gap at 9:50. When I seen this, I was expecting to get a trade after it trades back into at least this first fair value gap. And with that, I was expecting this liquidity to be taken. So as we can see here at 10 o'clock, we traded down into this fair value gap, creating that silver bullet right there, that the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. silver bullet. I got in around 10:03. If we look here at 10 o'clock and around 10:03 is when I entered the trade. Going down to the 1-minute just to take a look at the actual entry here at 10:03. So I took this trade on my demo account, and not my demo account, my funded trading account. This is the challenge. This is the funding traded challenge. As you can see, my entry was here. This is my entry, and my stop loss is here. Okay, and my stop loss was at $50, and I'm actually going to bring it up to break even since we're so far up. This would also be the time, let's do that. This would also be the time that I would take something off, but I'm in quite a bit of drawdown on this funding traded challenge, so I'm going to see how long I can hold it. I may end up closing it here in a little bit after this 2 o'clock hour. It's 1 o'clock my time, 1:37 my time, but it's 2 o'clock New York time. And you always want to trade in sync with the New York time zone. So yeah, that's what we have here for today. A very good trade. Very, very good trade. And I will be looking to see what the rest of the week does and go from there. Let's see on the daily. And a new lesson that ICT recently put out, he was mentioning how whenever you're trading at the new all-time highs, to disregard the TGIF Friday, the Thank God It's Friday model, which I thought was pretty interesting as well. So, and you want to be cautious about taking sales whenever we're trading at all-time highs. So with this, I'm expecting it to go up a little further. But again, I believe I will go ahead and close here in a minute. I did get a 1 to 3. As you can see here, well, I moved my stop loss to break even, but my stop loss was originally here. It was right there. Let's see if I can get something to delineate that real quick. Let's see. Okay. So originally my stop loss was right here. It was at a $50 risk. I've made 150, so that is a 1, 2, 3, which I'm pretty impressed by. But again, my drawdown is pretty steep, and I want to see how far I can hold it for. But definitely, if I don't close it, I will take a partial here in a second. But yeah, that is the trade for the day. I'm glad that I was able to take this trade successfully. I seen this happen at 10:03, and I was in there. I was ready and prepared to take that trade, which is always good. So yeah, until the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and helping you see another view of the silver bullet. And if it was helpful in any way, if you could go ahead and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next one.